If you are looking for a place to rent or buy, how do you decide which one of your options is your next home? There are numerous factors that you need to consider: cost, location, safety, access to things that you care about such as public transit, school or kindergarten for your kids, or grocery store for your daily shopping. RateMyProp.com is designed to help you with this decision-making process. This is what RateMyProp will do for you. It analyzes the address you have provided and shows you the results in an interactive and friendly way. Let's see an example. Enter an address in the address search bar, press search, and it's done. Each card shows you a characteristic score of the property. These numbers are the ranking of the property compared with the rest of the city. The scores are from 0 to 100. The higher the score, the better the quality of the property is. Click on one of the cards to see the breakdown of what makes up that characteristic score. You can use the map to see the location of the nearby amenities for that card. The scores are calculated using the items shown on the map and their closeness to the property you searched. In the next video, we will discuss what the scores mean exactly and how they are calculated.